Do you want to get unstuck and gain momentum for your property management business? Maybe you've been stagnant for the last few months, maybe for the last few years. We can help you get unstuck, and we're going to do this at the Game Changer Workshop. So let me tell you about this. You're not going to want to miss this. So attend the Game Changer Workshop. It's going to be September 15th and 16th in Austin, Texas. You can register to attend right here, DoorGrow.com/game changer. You can get to this page. Cool. So what is this going to be? It's going to be a 2-day workshop to create significant momentum for your property management business. Unlike a typical conference where you sit around and listen to speakers, we're going to get together with a small group with some high-level coaches, and we're going to work on your business. You're going to open up your financials. You're going to open up your books. We're going to assess and figure out and talk about your team. We're going to do all this stuff. I'm going to tell you about this stuff. All right, here we go. So imagine spending 2 powerful days working with expert coaches and other savvy business owners to solve problems and to catapult your business forward. Here's what you will get. So we're going to be getting into Profit Max. Let's open up the books, stop those wasteful profit leaks in your business. Sarah is our coach on this. She has helped some companies easily find $100K a year in their business, fire half their team because there was so much redundancy, systematize things. She has managed hundreds of units with one part-time person, boots on the ground, part-time remotely. And she did this part-time, right? So you are probably not that efficient. She had over 60% profit margin. Do you want to maximize your profit? You want to be at this Game Changer event. Acquisition hunt. Stop missing out on buying other PM firms. Many are miserable. Most property management companies suck. And they're willing to sell if you just follow a simple process and you don't mess things up by saying the typical wrong things, right? Learn how to not screw up the deal from the beginning. Learn how to find acquisition opportunities and buy a property management company without a large deposit. Learn how to get that first deal, or if you've been doing some deals, learn how to optimize and improve that from a world-class expert at this. Investor magnets. Tired of wasting time hoping deals will come to you and you're not growing fast enough? Learn how to attract investors and real estate agents and get them calling you. We're going to help you do this. John Chin, our coach, is coming in to help with this. Super awesome. Investor agents, barely getting referrals from investors? Create powerful connections with local real estate agents by turning them into investor partners and learn how to provide value that your competition can't. So we're going to be talking about this awesome ROI calculator that we're launching that's going to allow you to give these branded pieces of material out to agents that they can give to their investors and to coach them on how to deal with investors. And it's going to bring you business. Team assessment. Frustrated at your team, wondering why they don't just think without you and they come to you and ask you a bunch of questions? Are you still wearing hats you don't want? If so, and you have an entire team and you're still wearing hats that you don't want to be wearing, this means you built your business the wrong way or you don't have the right team. So let's find out. See if you have the right team. We're going to help you assess your team, make sure you have the right people in the right roles in your business. We're going to ensure you have the right team. We're really good at helping people do this, and you will walk away from this event with this problem like being clear or solved, and you'll know what to do to get to the next level. Strategic planning. If you've been stuck for a while in your growth, you probably lack clarity and don't have a really good strategic plan on how to dramatically have a better year than you have had in the past. So if you want to improve this significantly, then you need to be able to walk away from this event with clarity and a clear strategic plan to move the business forward. We're going to make sure that you do that. We are really great at strategic planning. This means not just tactical day-to-day work. This means being a business owner. We're going to teach you how to do that effectively and make sure you walk away with a plan. You will leave this event having taken the action necessary to create a better business rather than just having a bunch of ideas like you get at a conference. And it's going to be at a really cool venue. So it's downtown Austin. It's one of the coolest places to write off as a business expense. Known for its food, music, more. It's a fun area while you get to stay at an amazing hotel. It's the JW Marriott. It's right in the mix in downtown Austin. Very cool. And we have a group rate. You can book a discounted rate and get an awesome room. All right. We're going to have expert workshop coaches that we are bringing in. There's going to be me. I've helped grow hundreds of companies. I've helped companies add hundreds of doors a year. One of our clients just added 400 doors in the last year. I've helped a client add 310 doors in a single year. We've helped, and these both have full-time BDMs and like really put a lot of time and energy in it. But a lot of our clients easily are adding 100 to 200 doors a year. You could do this too. Sarah, my wife, she is the profit leak destroyer. She's going to help you find, by looking at your financials, optimize things, look at your team, figure out hiring. Like, this is what Sarah does. So be at this event. Roya Mattis, she is this magical sales amplifier. If you want to be closing more deals more easily at a higher price point, Roya will teach you how to connect, how to create relationship. She is brilliant at this. She's been a game changer for us at DoorGrow, and she's been a game changer for our clients. John Chin, realtor referral automation expert. He has this certification for real estate agents to certify them in assessing investments, and he uses this as a leverage and as a tool to get real estate investors fed to him by real estate agents in his local market. And he needs real estate agents to partner with in every local market. That should be you. So be at this event, and we're going to show you how here at DoorGrow we built on his idea, which is an idea he built on from our referral secrets training. And we created this ROI assessments tool based on John's spreadsheet that he would give out. But this will allow you to protect this and brand it and send it out. And agents will have to come to you to get this for their investor clients. Secret weapon expert. We are bringing the secret weapon expert. He's super shy, but he's one of our favorite coaches. He's really awesome. He has helped one of our clients in 4 months, just being in our program for 4 months, went from 150 units to 420 units by doing an acquisition, helped him source and find the deal. He is an acquisitions and a fee maximization expert. He's like an everything expert. Come and learn from this gentleman as well. All right. And there's going to be more. I think the connections you're going to make with other people, you're going to make some lifetime friends and connections at this. This is what we need as business owners. We need those connections to get to the next level. And we want to make sure this is going to be intimate, it's going to be small, and you are going to walk away with a lot. And this is 2 full days of workshopping and moving the business forward. There's a bunch of frequently asked questions on this page. I'm not going to go into all of that now, but if you want to dig into all the details, you can check that out. Spots are limited. This is going to be a small event. We are cutting off ticket sales, I believe, at the end of August. So get in while you can. Get your spot. Tickets are only $1,000, and you can bring your entire team. You can bring your operator. You can bring team members. You can bring your spouse, business partner. It's $1,000 for anyone you want to bring, for your entire team. So get your ticket. Bring the team members that you do like, because we're going to be going deep on assessing your team. So don't bring team members you don't like. And don't miss your chance to dramatically shift your property management business forward. Level up by joining us at the Game Changer Workshop. So again, go to doorgrow.com/game changer and check this out. Get your seats, register, and let's workshop together. We are going to deep dive into your business. We're going to work together and figure out how to get you more money, more doors, and move your business forward with a better plan very quickly. This will be a game changer for your business. Hopefully, we'll see you there. And if you have not yet worked with DoorGrow, this is available to all of our mastermind clients. But if you have not yet joined our mastermind, which is amazing, if you have not yet joined this will be a great way to get your feet wet and experience at a low price point the magic of DoorGrow, and for us to prove to you that this is an awesome place to be. So come connect, come hang out with some of our clients, come hang out with some people that will probably become our clients, and make some connections. This is going to be a game changer. All right, that's it for now. Bye, everyone. Hope to see you there.